Hey YouTube, welcome back. This is the unboxing for this waterproof LED. This is the light bar for your racing car, and this is the amber color. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Get my knife. This is 17 centimeter. It comes with the double-sided tape already. Let's see if I could try to turn this on for you guys to check it out. Alright guys, so this is you could use this for turn signal light or your front fog lights. This is a new and latest amber colors, which is I've been using the white one. The super white one. It works pretty well. And when the rain hits it or anything, you don't need to worry about getting short or anything because this is waterproof. The only problem is that the block frame might fade it to like a bronze color, and this is kind of bendable actually, but you don't want to bend it too hard. You might mess up the LED, and because there's like an individual LEDs as you can see over there. Yeah, those are the LEDs, whole bunch of it. You got 2 rows, and I believe these are the 6 watts, which is bright enough for me, and it will make your car looks pretty cool. You know, amber is always cool when you put on your car. Anyway, so this is my unboxing for this bar lights. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the videos, and also subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't do so yet. I got so many different variety of unboxing and new latest fashion, so be sure to turn on your notification so whenever I upload it you could get a notification right away. Also share this with your friend on social media if they are looking to those light bar, which will last a pretty long time compared to those cheap individual LED bulb. Those will get burned out quickly. I used the super white one for a long time, for many months now, and it still lasts. So I got this on eBay. So this one was well, I think it was about $3 or $4 for this pair. Check it out real quick before I give you guys the wrong info. And it come with a free shipping from China. There is no tax. So actually, I only pay $2.99 for this pair. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And happy Friday. Peace.